Hi there, it's Zoe here from Winchester Caravans, and today I'm going to take you through the new 3030 Alde control panel. To turn the panel on, press the power button on the left hand side, and then you will find the main screen. At the top left you will see a mains plug. If you press this, it will tell you that the 230 volt is connected to the heater, so you have got mains plugged in and it is working okay. To program what temperature you would like, press the house icon and you will see it comes up here with the temperature that you've got it set at. So to change this temperature, you simply push the plus and the minus buttons and that will change your room temperature. So you can set it to whatever you feel is best. Just to clarify, this temperature is for the heating. So if you want to have a look at the water system, you press the arrow to come out of that menu, press hot water, and you can then turn your hot water on by pushing the power button. If you want to boost the hot water system, press the little icon on the right hand side here. It will turn it on and boost it for 30 minutes. What it does when it does this is basically turn the power off to the heating and put it all into the hot water for this half an hour to get it nice and hot for you. And to turn the hot water off again, you simply push the power button in the centre. To decide what power source you'd like to use, press the back arrow, takes you to the main screen, and then you can select the energy. Here we have a couple of options. At the top there it says max electricity, so you can set it up to 1, 2 or 3 kilowatts depending on what site you're on. Smaller sites will want 1 kilowatt. Larger sites may be able to go up to 3 kilowatts. If you want to turn it on gas, you simply press the button on the right hand side and that will pop it on gas for you. If you want to do the electric, you slide along to the kilowatt selection that you would like. And if you want to use both, you can just simply turn both on and it will boost it for you to get it hotter quicker. There are some other settings on this page, so you have got priority where you can prioritise electric or gas as your favoured source of energy. Load monitor, if you have got a load monitor fitted, then that will show up here. And on the second page, if you press the top right, it will come up with the high altitude mode, which can be only used over 1,000 metres for the system. To come out of this menu, press the arrow on the left, and that will take you back to the main section. The main screen also has a clock that's on the top right. It's flashing at the moment as we haven't set the time, so if you click on it, you can then select the day and time and set this clock if you would like to. You will find further settings on the menu button, just down on the right hand side at the bottom there. In here you will find the night and day timer modes, delayed starts. There are more settings as you scroll through on this up here. To set day and night mode, you can turn it on and off by pushing the button on the right hand side. That will turn it on and off. To actually do the settings for these, you tap night mode, for example. It will bring up the days, times, temperature, anything you want to edit for that night mode. So on the second page of the settings, if you push the top right button, you'll find display, sound, language, sensor calibration. The third page is more to do with workshop settings, so the system configuration and reset. If you want to come out of this menu, you can push the arrow on the top left. You can also press the little menu button and that will take you back to the main screen. If you want to turn the system off, it's best to turn off everything individually first, so your hot water, turn the electric off or the gas off. Make sure that that's all right down before you turn the whole thing off. And then push and hold the power button to turn the main panel off. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and we will be happy to advise.